Welcome to the Salty Lunatics Treasure Trove. We're making a mandala today. All right, we're using light burn today, and we're going for a speed of 50, max power of 10. And we are working with black foam board. All right, so that doesn't look like it cut all the way through. I'm gonna raise the power up to 20 and do it again. You can see that one's cutting all the way through. I think that's gonna be good. All right, so I think that did the trick, but we're going around one more time just to be sure. All right, so we just got the first square cut. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I lied. That did not do the trick. It is not all the way through yet. We're gonna try and do it one more time. Let's see how it works. Again, I'm doing a feed of 50. This is, a feed speed of 50 and a power of 20 now. I've done the 20 twice. This is my third time doing the 20 power. All right, I'm now working on my fifth pass at a power of 20 and a speed of 50. And that one has absolutely cut all the way through. All right, we're now working on our second piece to this layered mandala. I have increased the speed to 75 and increased the power to 30. So hopefully this will get us a little bit closer to where we need to be, a little bit quicker. Okay, so I had a little mishap with that piece and I had to start over. So right now I have 1, 2, 3 pieces holding it down, and I did a frame to make sure that the pieces holding it down are not in the way. It's important that whatever you're using to hold down your material does not interfere with the laser, or it'll totally mess up everything like it just did on me. But that's okay, we got more foam board where that came from. So it wasn't cutting at the speed and power that I had it at with the 30 and the 75, and it was kind of burning a little bit too much. Like, I don't want it to catch on fire, so I raised the speed up to 85, kept the power at 30, but I'm going to do 2 passes, probably 3 or 4 actually. Now this sets us at finishing this piece in about 12 minutes. So that actually looks like it's working a little bit better. All right, guys, this is looking much better. It's not burning as much. It's going faster, so it's less likely to catch on fire. And you can see how good those holes look. They're almost all the way through first go round. It's very mesmerizing to watch. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so we have been at this all day, and we're still working on the same piece. We've done it, this is the third time. Mike's home now, he's helping me with the machine. The machine had to be reprogrammed, essentially, because it was not finding home base. All the parameters were lost. So he went in, he reprogrammed the machine, he reset it up and redid everything. So this is one we did earlier today, and you can see it cut through the holes, but it did not cut out these other pieces. And it just wasn't even cutting through the middle at all. I mean, it doesn't even look like they marked the middle of those lines. And then this one came out a little bit better. You can see these pieces were starting to come out. The bigger pieces were starting to fall out. But again, we had to reconfigure the computer and just do it again. Some of these still, you know, you can see they're still stuck in there. You got to kind of pop them out. That should not be happening like that. And then that's where you get, oh, see, like that. And that's so easy just to ruin your whole thing if it's not cut all the way through. So we've got a new piece in there. It's burning. We got the speed at 90 and the power max at 40 now. This is its second pass. The first pass we ran at 30 power with a speed of 80. So we also had an issue with our air assist pump not working. So this was the air assist pump that came with the longer. And for some reason, it just stopped working. So we had to hook up our own compressor. So down here we have an air compressor, which goes directly to the machine. It's really important that the air is constantly going, and this helps prevent this from catching on fire. So the air assist not working could have been a big reason why I was having issues earlier today. So this is going to be an all-day project tomorrow. We're going to try and finish this up now that the machine is actually running correctly. And our second machine is in the mail on the way, so that's going to be another fun thing. We're going to layer them up and put them on top of each other so we can run multiple things at once. So I'm going to stay up pretty late working on this. I hope you guys have a great night. We will reconvene tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have some more progress done.